If a DIY trademark search usually isn't enough, why not save some money and use an online trademark service rather than paying an attorney a lot of money to do it? Well, who doesn't like to save money? I get it. I like a good bargain too. I see the appeal of the online platforms like LegalZoom, Trademark Engine, and similar services that advertise cheap and fast trademark searches and filing. But here's what they don't tell you, or what's buried in the fine print no one reads. And this is based on what I have personally seen happen to clients who started with them. Their searches are usually automated only, no manual searching is done, and I talked before about why both are necessary. You typically don't get legal analysis of the results, just a printout of what the AI search found, and I mentioned before about how that produces a lot of useless results in addition to the useful ones, so that's a lot to wade through without any advice. At best, you get a ranked results list that doesn't come with advice. If a potential conflict shows up, they often don't tell you whether it's a legitimate concern or how much of a problem it could be. You're often still responsible for interpreting the results and for the consequences. And they won't tell you before doing the search if the search isn't worth doing at all, because your mark is ineligible for registration for one of the many reasons an application may be denied, like being too descriptive, too generic, primarily a surname, etc. Note that I know these things because my clients didn't feel confident in the service they got from an online service, so they then hired me to do the job properly. Most of these online services are not law firms, meaning they don't and can't represent you before the USPTO after they file your application. The ones that do offer limited scope legal services have the equivalent of fast food prices in the legal world. Ask yourself why that is. In other words, relying on the cheap online services is like using WebMD to see if your symptoms are signs of heart failure. You might get the right answer, or you might miss something big and potentially fatal. If you're launching, growing, or just unsure whether your business or brand name or logo are truly protected, let's talk. I help entrepreneurs across the U.S. make smart, legally sound decisions about names and logos. If you'd like to consult with me, you can use my contact form on my website, or you can book a consultation online at kingpatentlaw.com or by calling my office at 312-596-2222 or 217-714-8558. Please check out the other posts and pages on my website for more information on trademarks, patents, and other intellectual property and business law issues.